Hey, I'm Dr. Sarah Beth Erickson. I'm a board-certified pediatrician and a board-certified breastfeeding medicine physician. So my whole work is dedicated to caring for moms and babies in the thick of feeding challenges. And today I want to talk to you about something that comes up a lot in my clinic, and that is returning to work. How much milk do you need for going back to work? This is something moms start worrying about almost as soon as their baby is born. They are anticipating going back to work and wondering, am I going to have enough milk in the freezer? It's a terrifying thing to think of your baby not having the food that they need on those first few days during that transition. So here's a really easy tip to remember, and something I share with all of my patients that have this concern. That is, try not to think at all about going back to work for the first 4 weeks postpartum. Now, this is assuming that you are taking a 10 to 12 week maternity leave from your job. It's not going to apply in situations where you have to be back sooner than that, so that's an exception. But if you have a standard 10 to 12 week leave, enjoy those first 4 weeks postpartum, focusing on direct breastfeeding, bonding with your baby, and getting the rest that you need to recover from your delivery, which is a huge transition and challenge for your body. Once 4 weeks rolls around, that's generally when moms can start to do some pumping if they haven't already. And to go back to work, how much milk do you need? You only need enough milk for the first day you go back to work. You don't need enough milk for a month. You need enough milk for 1 day. And typically babies who are about 3 months old are going to take about 4 ounces per feeding. They need between, let's say 20 ounces at the most for a day at daycare. Now that's assuming that they are, there for a really long day, not just a typical 8-hour day. So you can aim to have about 20 ounces stored up. You would be good to go for that first day back to work.